Hey everyone, it's Felix. As a home maintenance expert, I've seen firsthand how small, ignored issues can turn into major, expensive disasters. The truth is, skipping basic upkeep might save you time today, but it'll cost you big in the long run. In this video, I'm breaking down the most common home maintenance mistakes that could be draining your wallet, plus simple fixes to keep your home in top shape. Let's dive in. First up, roof leaks and water damage. A single missing shingle might not seem like a big deal until water starts seeping in, leading to mold, rotten wood, and structural damage. Fixing a minor roof issue costs around $50, but ignoring it, you're looking at $5,000 plus in repairs. Next, clogged gutters and foundation issues. Clogged gutters don't just cause overflows, they send water straight to your home's foundation. Over time, this leads to cracks, basement flooding, and even structural instability. Cleaning your gutters takes an hour, but fixing foundation damage, that can run up to $10,000. Now let's talk HVAC maintenance. Your heating and cooling system works hard, but without regular filter changes and servicing, it has to work even harder until it breaks down completely. A new HVAC system can cost up to $7,500, but changing your filter every month, that's less than $20. Ignoring plumbing leaks is another big one. A slow dripping faucet or a tiny undersink leak might seem harmless, but over time it wastes gallons of water and can rot cabinets, damage floors, and even weaken your home structure. Fix a small leak for $150 or wait until it turns into a $5,000 plumbing emergency. Skipping pest inspections can be a costly mistake. You might not see them, but termites and rodents could be silently destroying your home from the inside. By the time you notice, it could cost $3,000 or more to repair structural damage. A simple annual pest inspection, about $100. You do the math. Lastly, cracks and gaps in windows and doors. Those tiny gaps in your windows and doors aren't just letting in a breeze, they're letting out your hard-earned money. Poor insulation leads to skyrocketing energy bills. Sealing cracks with caulk, $10. Overpaying on energy bills every month, easily $500 plus a year. Think about it. Spending a few minutes on home maintenance now can save you thousands down the line. Replacing one roof shingle, $50. Fixing a major roof leak, $5,000 plus. Cleaning your gutters, free if you do it yourself. Repairing foundation damage, $10, plus. The choice is yours. Quick and simple preventative maintenance tips. Check your HVAC filter every month. Clean gutters twice a year. Inspect for leaks under sinks regularly. Get a yearly pest inspection. Seal any cracks or gaps before winter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more home maintenance tips. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's one home task you've been putting off? Let's fix it together. I'm Felix, and I'll see you in the next one.